Hello internet and welcome back to another video. So today I wanted to review Olens Welcome Kit. I am a big fan of wearing cosplay lenses. However, I've never really had a nice pair of everyday normal kind of styled lens. I have an astigmatism in both of my eyes. One of them is really bad, so oftentimes when I do wear lenses that aren't like fully mesh, I end up having an issue where I see the lens in the corner of my eye, and I was really curious if other brands didn't have this issue, because a lot of styles that are in America right now have very dense inner circles, which is ultimately what you end up seeing if you do have an astigmatism. And I was curious with how feathered out most of the Korean lenses out there are, if they would sit normally in really odd eyes. Odd eye.
My eyes were looking for you.
So once again, I did choose the Welcome Kit. It is very shiny and beautiful. I went with this kit because honestly it's a really good price, and you get to pick out one lens that you specifically want, and you get 3 others that are randomly selected for you. All the color selections were really like beautiful. I have hazel eye. Well, I don't know. My eyes change with my outfit. I wouldn't say I have extremely dark brown eyes, so that's not really what I'm looking to see. If they'll cover, I'm looking to see how well they'll sit with eyes that have astigmatism in them. And like I said before, the lenses that I do have, I've tried on a pair. I'll see if I can like find the brand and like put it right here on what I used to try and wear. They were super uncomfortable. They just like never sat right within my eye. You could constantly feel them. I know a good contact is supposed to sit on your eye and really just feel like a second skin, I guess you could say. And another pair of lenses I actually do own, I think they actually sit really well in my eye, but they are a mesh style, which is more for like cosplay and costumes. So it's not really something that I'd wear every day unless, I mean, honestly it'd be cool if I did, but I don't think I would. But yeah, I'm super excited, so let's just get into it. So this is what it looks like. You obviously have your main color that you picked out, and these are the ones that are randomly picked. I went with Scandi Gray. I'm gonna save those for last because I feel like that will be the most significant color difference within my eye. So in my kit I have Scandi's One Day Hazels, I have Spanish One Day Browns, and then I have Scandi's One Day Olive, which I'm honestly really excited about how this color will look too. Oh, I need to wash my hands. Don't touch me, I'm sterile.
Don't touch me, I'm sterile.
So I'm going to start with the Spanish One Day Brown. It is a very golden color, if you can see. And I do have cases, which I'm going to be putting my contacts in before I put them in my eyes. And you should always do that. Don't ask me why. My mother told me, but it's a sanitary thing. I don't know why I'm like really nervous for this. Alright, let's I guess I forgot to mention, if you don't like eye stuff, this probably isn't the video for you. Not even in my eye. That feels like absolutely nothing. I can't even. Oh my goodness. Oh my god, I'm crying. So here's one in. Wow, these sit super nice in the eye. Oh my goodness. I don't even have any of that like fog that goes around the eye, if that makes sense. I think because these ones are so finely feathered and they're not really like as opaque, that they don't really give too much of like a cast of like something within my vision, which honestly is great. And these are super cute. I could easily see myself wearing these like almost every day. They're just so gorgeous. Oh my goodness, on my baby brown eyes. Not baby blues, my baby browns. You know what? I'm gonna need a mirror for this. There's no way I can fucking do this on my own. You know what? These actually in kind of natural lighting remind me a lot of like how Twilight's contacts were. Well, they didn't even use contacts. Oh my god, they looked really, really fake. Color almost reminds you of the Colin's eyes. Honestly, if you're looking for a Halloween costume, you can kind of see the color difference now. I don't know why that made my nose run, trying to get those out of my eyes. Alright, next I'm going to try the Scandi Hazel ones, just because I figured the olive and gray would have a greater impact in my eye. These ones have a bit of a bigger ring. They have a wider ring of brown. Why? Oh my god. Once again, yeah, there's not really like a hazy line around my eye, which is really nice. I'm curious if the ones that are more opaque will do that. These are just like another nice, really natural color. They just kind of enhance what my eyes already look like and kind of make them more golden and light, which I actually really adore. Oh wow, yeah, I feel like these ones actually look more like Twilight than the last ones. I think these are really cute. The color contacts I had a long time ago actually used to really hurt my eye when they sat on top of it. And I don't know if that's because they're not like as soft of a contact. These are like really nice. Like I can like move my eye around and they stay in, obviously. Yeah, these ones feel good too. Edward Cullen approved. I don't like taking them out. I also noticed that because my eyes obviously sit a little different, my contacts obviously shift more to like being almost over my pupil. Even then, it's really not that obvious that they're kind of like off skewed on my abnormal eyeballs. Honestly, I kind of just want an excuse to make this video too because I've been really wanting to try colored contacts again. Alright, now I'll do the olive. I almost said green. Well, green is olive. And this is what they look like. I'd say they almost remind me of what my eye color looks naturally in the light. I only say that because my eyes are greener on the outside. That did not come off my hand. Are they in right? I feel like it's gonna fall out. Please, I've done nothing but be nice to you. That was really hard to get in. They have a really nice pattern, but with my eyes just kind of being offset, they don't really sit perfectly over top of my eye because it is like misshapen, obviously, but they are a beautiful color. I feel like, actually, you know what, I feel like I could get away with wearing these. They are really natural looking. It actually sits in this eye really nicely. This eye has the worst astigmatism out of the two, and even then it's not really sitting too off of my eye. Well, these ones are also Terran approved. I really like them. Oh, I hate taking these out. Oh my god, there goes my nose again. Something about touching my eyeball. It's making my nose run. It is like I've just gone through a bad breakup. Oh my god. I'm crying. My nose is watering. My eyes are red. Alright, now for the moment we've been waiting for, my Scandi Grays. And these ones, actually, I believe, because they're 1 days, there's multiple in here. Oh my goodness, there's so many. Oh my god. Honestly, for 34 bucks and then obviously international shipping, this is a lot. This is actually amazing. I love this. So you have 10 for each eye, 5 in a single. You get 4 of them. 2 eyes per each. 10. The math works out. I'm not stupid, right? It's really nice for people who prefer 1 days. I think 1 days actually sit a lot better in the eyes than a week or a month. So these are how the Scandi Grays look. I went with them because even though they are gray, they have a green hue to them, because I have tried on straight up green contacts and straight up blue ones, and I felt like I looked like Miley Cyrus. Blue eyes be like. Oh my goodness. Oh, finally. Jeez Louise. So like I stated before, these ones, yeah, they don't really cover my vision. It's not really blurry, and they don't really hurt at all. They feel really comfortable on my eyes. Like, obviously you can tell they're there. I mean, they're a contact, but they don't hurt as much as like other contacts that I've wore. Yeah, no, these ones are super fun, especially because I do like the golden, but like changing your changing your eye color completely is like really fun and fresh. Here's an up-close shot of me, Crybaby McGee. I do like how they really feather into the other color. I mean, obviously, like, gray and blues aren't gonna really look as natural on a brown eye if you don't feather it into it. You just end up looking like Miley Cyrus once again. Yeah, these feel really good on my eyes. I'm gonna keep these ones in, actually, to end it. You know, I only cried for like 40 minutes, but it was worth it. This Olens gets a 10 out of 10, especially this kit. There's so much in here for $34, and all you have to do is just register your email and make an account with them. I think it gives you like a good taste of like what styles you can try as well as what color you can go with, because when I was looking at all the options, I really didn't know what color to go with because there were so many to pick from. Definitely in the future I want to try pink ones, so maybe I'll do that. Also, if they come out with another K-pop group that has them, or I think Pony did one with them too, I'll try and pick those up because that would be really fun. Yes, I'd say Olens, you get a 10 out of 10. All the brands that are within this, they fit so nicely on eyes with astigmatism. If you're afraid that you're not really gonna like them, I suggest maybe doing like a kit like this, or they always have deals going on where you can get like 2 pairs of contacts for like one price. All you gotta do is pay international shipping. So yeah, I definitely recommend these if you're looking to try contacts. I think I haven't tried enough American contacts, but these definitely sit better than the brand I did wear. And yeah, I really enjoy these. I'm honestly gonna buy more from them. Have you guys ever wore color contacts? Because if so, let me know what brand you have wore and I'll like check them out. Korean contacts get an A+ from these. Are so nice in my eyes compared to a lot of horror from an American brand. Thanks so much for watching. Remember to click the like, hit the subscribe button, the bell. What else? Comment, leave me a comment, and just know that I love you. Goodbye!